how to use Kakaotalk Open Chat. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to use Kakaotalk Open Chat. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, open the Kakaotalk app on your device. Now once you are in, tap on the chat section right here. Now once you tap on chat section, you will get 4 options right at the top. Tap on this third chat icon right here, tap on it. Here you can see the open chat and open profile. Now once you open the chat right here, open chat, you can see trending topics right here. You will also see the suggested classrooms from here. Just open one. Now you can see join open chat. Tap on join open chat, tap on your profile, and just like that, you just joined one open chat from here. That's it. This is how you can use the Kakaotalk Open Chat. Hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.